In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix the TikTok Live Studio no access problem. First, launch a TikTok app. Make sure your TikTok account meets the eligibility requirements to go live. You must have 1,000 followers and be 18 years old or older. Otherwise, Live Studio access will not be available. If you already qualify, launch your TikTok Live Studio on your computer and confirm that you are logged in into the correct TikTok account because signing in with a secondary account can cause the access error. Next, check if Live Studio has any pending updates and update if needed. If the issue continues, launch your TikTok app. Navigate to the profile page, click on three bars given at the top right. Now click on the option settings and privacy. Then scroll all the way down and head over to the option help center. Now scroll down and click on the option chat with us. Here you can have conversation with TikTok support team. Just mention that TikTok Live Studio is not available in your account, even though you meet all the requirements, and send it. With that, TikTok support team will get back to you. You can have the conversation and that's it. With these steps, you'll be good to go. Your problem will be resolved. At the end, if this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.